Good morning, students. Today I am taking the different methods of the separation of mixture. Now it is the sieving. This method is used to separate the components of a mixture which are of different size. Example like undesirable materials are separated from the grain by using a sieve. The fine particles are passed through it, and while bigger particles are remain on it. In our home also we use the sieving in the wheat flour is passed through the sieve so as to remove the chaff. The size of the hole of the sieve depends upon the size of the particles which are to be removed. There in the other uses also, this sieved sand is then used to cement plaster the buildings. Here the different other methods are also sedimentation and decantation. This method is based on the principle of different densities of the two components of a mixture. Solids which are heavier and insoluble in water than the other components of a mixture and can be separated by sedimentation followed by the decantation. And in the sedimentation, the settling down of the heavier insoluble particle in a mixture of water is called sediments, and insoluble are called sediments. Decantation, it is also a process of transferring the clear liquid which we get after the sedimentation without disturbing the sediments is called decantation. By this activity, we clear it to separate the clear water from muddy water. So material required: a beaker half filled with the muddy water, a glass rod, and an empty beaker or glass. Now we allow the muddy water to stand for a half an hour. So clay and sand in the muddy water is heavier and they are settled down at the bottom, and this is sedimentation. Now we hold a glass rod in another container and allow the clear water collect over mud in the beaker to trickle over the glass rod without disturbing, and we get the clear water. This process of gently pouring out is called decantation. Now through these diagrams we explain the sedimentation. In this, the beaker having the water, clear water above it, and the sand and clay particles are settled down at the sediments. Decantation, now we pour without disturbing and we get the clear water through it. So these are the different methods. Thank you.